Hey guys, it's me, Erin. I hope you guys liked my pie face video. It was really fun to make, and today I'm making another fun video. Today I'm going to make some slime. I haven't made anything on my channel, so I thought I would, but I'm making something easy, like not you put in the oven, because you don't put slime in the oven. So today I thought I would make some slime. So let's go. This is what you'll need. We'll need some salt. I have my method on a piece of paper. What else have I got here? Well, then we'll need some washing up liquid, dish soap, whatever you call it, whatever colour you want, but I'm using a purple colour. I get orange and green or purple to do, but I thought just because slimes are supposed to be green, you should add more colour to it, guys. So then I'm mixing. My spoon smells really nice. So my spoon. And let's get started. So the first thing you'll need to do, now you've got all your ingredients, the first thing you'll need to do is put a little dish soap in. So put a little bit of this in. And you can have it whatever colour you like, any colour on this earth, as long as it's like you can see it. So I have a purple colour, so now I'm going to put it in the bowl and see what happens. Okay, so I squirt it all around. So now we have squirted some dish soap in. That's what it looks like. It looks really cute. Now I'm going to use okay, so now I'm going to be adding, and you'll also need some actual soap. It could be like a squirty thing, or it could be a bar soap. So I have a bar soap over here. It's optional, you can use it. Not everything is optional, guys. So, yeah. Why did I just talk American? So, I have some sea soap in here. Let's get a scrub some. You know, I think I'm going to mush it with a spoon. But if your mum will not let you smush your soap because they want to use it, then don't, because then it's just a waste on soap. But this soap's getting really old anyway, so I can do this. My mum is going to shops today to buy some more soap. And then okay, I just applied the whole bar by accident. Just gonna wipe that. You do add the whole bar at a time. So this is what it looks like now. You can see those soap bits in it. Just see it really quick. See those soap bits? Yeah. So we have some soap bits now. And now I'm going to mix it. See? It's turning really slimy, guys. So I hope this is a good thing to have. I hope it turns out right. So that's what it looks like, dribbling off the spoon. It's going around. When I talk, I just start talking American. I don't know. Guys, I'm not trying to like, hey guys. I hate it when people don't actually talk their accent, because, yeah. So next, we're going to add some salt. Let's add that. And that's enough. Okay, now we're just going to wipe that thing up. I just made my script, so. And I got a sponge for any mistake, to wipe up, like if it gets messy. I'm sure I won't make any mistakes, I hope. So, it's gonna. Okay, so then that's what it looks like so far. I don't want to mix it. Mix. Okay. Now. So now we just have the big mix. Mix. Pop! I just had a bubble. Okay. Look, a bubble! I just popped it. So I'm just going to mix. Oh, it looks so good. I'm going to have a smell. Oh my, that smells so nice. That might be a sign of how it's turning out, like good. So now I'm just going to do this. It's really slimy. I'm trying to get all the soap bits. You can't see the soap bits because that's the only thing. You can't see the salt anymore. So it's so nice. Look at that. And it's so good. And now I'm going to add some. Now I'm going to add some more salt, and then I'm going to mix it. So I'm just adding one more. Then you can add one more pint of salt if it will help your mixture. But if your mixture is really good anyway, you don't have to, and you can just wait till the end of the video to see how my slime turns out. Mixing, I've just been doing this video. I just love making slime. I tried last time off camera and it didn't work out really good as I thought it would. But now, this smells like a pudding. Like a lovely smelling pudding, smell like good, and it's just so good. I've been doing this video for 7 minutes and 31 seconds, 42 seconds, 53 seconds, I don't know. It tells me at the top here, section. You guys won't be able to see that, but it does tell me. Yeah. My videos will be more improved. I can pause my videos when I get a phone because I don't have a pausing device, but I wish I did, so. Stir. Okay. I need to stir as much as I can to get these soap bits out to make you can't see them. I'll be making all kinds of slime on different stuff. Comment down below what else I should make, or shall I make a different type of slime? Because this is really fun to make. Look at that. Oh. I nearly just landed on my head. Stirring it all up. This. I'm going to take a picture. Right now, we need to get these soap bits out really bad. So, I'm just going to smush that. So I'm smushing the soap bits out. It helps a lot. Why am I talking American? It's all salty. I'm just going to wet my spoon out. At the end, I'm going to be adding some greeny texture to it. So you can add 2 colours or you could stick with 1. But I'm going to be adding 2 colours to make mine more effective. If you guys know what I mean, because I like making stuff really good. So. This slime reel is really bad though. Gonna put that out back in. It's really good, this slime. I'm gonna add some more of this. It's all over that. Yes. And then some salt. That was just my perfume. That's not iron now. Now we are done. We have made the perfect slime. This is what my slime looks like. I'm just gonna put that back in. And that's what my slime looks like really now. It looks brilliant, smells brilliant, and turned out brilliant. So I'm really happy with myself. Now, the last final touch. And I just gotta wash my hands so I can open this. Because my hands are all slimy. I'm just gonna open it. Now I'm adding this green thing that looks like a green slime. It's quite hands. They look super slimy. So I'm just gonna add this. Let's look good at that. Let's see if this works. I'm trying to pull this out. Come on out. Come on. It's not basically coming on. Oh. And make it come out. Oh. This won't come out. Okay. Have a piece of my slime. If it don't work there, you don't need green slime because purple slime rules. Okay, so I'm just gonna try doing this. Well, they don't work. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. My slime turned out amazingly. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you guys will want to make slime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm just so happy that I made slime and I can't wait to watch back and see how I made this really. I love to make slime. Comment down below anything else I should make or should I make a different kind of slime. It's your choice and whatever I get the most for I will do in my next video. Okay, but if I don't get any requests then I'm going to think about what I should do. Bye!